Good morning, children. We are continuing our class. Two women and five men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while three women and three men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work, and also that taken by one man alone. So 2 women and 5 men can finish the work in 4 days. 3 women and 6 men can finish in 3 days. You have to find out the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work. So you have to assume time taken by one woman alone to complete the work. You take it as X days. One woman alone takes X days to complete the work. So 1 day work of the woman, 1 day work of one woman is 1 by X. So same way one man alone takes Y days to complete the work. To complete the work, 1 day work of a man is 1 by Y. So 1 day work of one woman is 1 by X, and 1 day work of a man is 1 by Y. So our question is, 2 women and 5 men can together finish the work in 4 days. So 2 women and 5 men, both together when they work, they finish in 4 days. The 1 day work of 2 women and 1 day work of 5 men is 1 by 4. Here 1 day work of one woman is 1 by X. So 1 day work of 2 women. 2 women is 1 by X into 2 is 2 by X. Then 1 day work of 5 men. 5 men is again 5 into 1 by Y is 5 by Y. So this is the 1 day work of 2 women. This is the 1 day work of 5 men. Then 1 day work of 2 women and 5 men is 2 by X plus 5 by Y. Both 2 women and 5 men together finish the work in 4 days. Therefore 1 day work of 2 women and 5 men is 1 by 4. So 2 by X plus 5 by Y is equal to 1 by 4. That is the first equation. Now come to the second condition. 3 women and 6 men can finish the work in 3 days. 1 day work of 3 women is 3 by X. 1 day work of 6 men is 6 by Y. Then 1 day work of 3 women and 6 men is, together it is 1 by 3. Therefore, as per the second condition, 3 women 3 by X, 6 men 6 by Y, and 1 day work of 3 women and 6 men is 1 by 3. This is equation 2. You can solve this equation. You know how to solve this equation. Take 1 by X as A and 1 by Y as B. So therefore equation 1 it becomes 2A plus 5B equal to 1 by 4. Equation 2 is 3a plus 6b is equal to 1 by 3. So this is equation 3 and this is equation 4. You know coefficient of a here is 2, coefficient of a here is 3. You multiply equation 3 by 3. 3 2s are 6a plus 15b equal to 3 by 4. Now you multiply equation 4 by 2 to 6a plus 12b is equal to 2 by 3. Subtract this equation. 6, this is 0, 15b minus this is plus 3b. This is 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. 4 and 3 LCM is 2. 4 3s are 12, 9. 3 4 8, 1 by 12. So 3b is 1 by 12, b is 1 by 12. This 3 will come here, that is 1 by 36. You know b is 1 by y. 1 by y is 1 by 36, therefore y is equal to 36. Y is equal to 36, then you have to find out x. So I am going to substitute this y is equal to 36 in equation 2. So it is y is equal to 36 in equation 2. Substitute. So it is 3 by x plus 6 by 36 is 1 by 3. So this is 6 6 are 36. 3 by x is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. LCM is 6. 3 2 1. It is 1 by 6. X by 3 is 1 by 3. Cross multiplication. 6x equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by 6. That is this is 3 by 6. 3 by x is equal to 1 by 6. Then cross multiplication, x is equal to 3 into 6 is 18. So you got x is equal to 18 and y is equal to 36. Therefore, one woman alone take 18 days to finish the work. One man alone takes 36 days to finish the work. Now the next question. Ruhi travels 600 km to her home partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travel 60 km by train and the remaining by bus. If she travel 100 km by train and the remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and the bus respectively. So therefore now the third, so her home, the distance travelled by her is 300 km and 60 km, this is 60 km she travelled by train and this will become 240 km that she travelled by bus. This is by bus and this is by train. And the total time taken is 4 hours. So you have to assume the speed of train. Speed of train, you have to take it as x km per hour, and speed of bus you take it as y km per hour. You know the speed is equal to distance by time. Therefore, and Then here time t is equal to d by s, the distance by speed. So I am going to find out the time taken for travel by train. So therefore, what is the time taken to travel 60 kilometer by train? Time taken by Ruhi to travel 60 kilometer by train. That is, distance by speed 60, speed by train is x. Same way, time taken by Ruhi to travel 240 kilometer by bus. That is 240 by y, distance by speed. So both the time together 60 by x plus 240 by y, and the total time taken is 4 hours. This is the first equation. Second equation, she traveled this 300 kilometer. First 100 kilometer by train. So next is 200 kilometer by bus. Therefore, here the time taken 100 kilometer by train is 100 by x, and this 200 kilometer is 200 by y. Time taken, distance by speed. The total time is 10 minutes longer than this. That is 4 plus 4 hours 10 minutes. 10 minutes is 10 by 60. That is 4 1 by 6. 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25 by 6. So therefore the second equation is, first equation is 60 by x plus 240 by y is equal to 4. Second is 100 by x plus 200 by y is equal to 25 by 6. So you have to solve this equation. You can take 1 by x as a and 1 by y as b. So first equation will become 60a plus 240b is equal to 4. Second will become 100a plus 200b is equal to 25 by 6. First one, this is second one, this is third, and this is fourth. Now you can make this coefficient of this one same. So equation 3 into 10. So it will become 600a plus 2400b equal to 40. Now equation 4, this is 600 means you multiply by 6. 600a plus b, 25 into 6 is 25. Then subtract this 0. So this one 2400. This will become 6 into 200 is 1200. So it is 2400 minus 1200 is 1200b. This is 15. Therefore b is equal to 15 by 1200. That is b is equal to 1 by 80. But b we have taken it as 1 by y. So 1 by y is equal to 1 by 80. Therefore y is equal to 80. Now you substitute value of y equal to 80 in equation 1. So 60 by x plus 240 by 80 equal to 4. 3. So 60 by x is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1. So 60 by x is equal to 1. cross multiplication, x is equal to 60. Therefore, what is the speed of train? Speed of train is x. X is 6 kilometer per hour. Then speed of bus is 80. So it is 80 kilometer per hour. Therefore, the speed of the train is 60 kilometer per hour and speed of bus is 80 kilometer per hour.